Hi everyone! Today let's dive into a topic that's supercharged with potential and innovation: Nvidia's groundbreaking trajectory in the tech world. Now, why am I so bullish about Nvidia reaching a staggering $10 trillion market cap by 2030? Let's break it down. First off, Nvidia isn't just another tech company. It's a pioneer at the heart of two explosive trends: artificial intelligence and gaming. These aren't just growing sectors. They are revolutionizing how we interact with technology. Nvidia's AI technology is not just good, it's revolutionary. Their GPUs have become the go-to hardware for AI professionals and data centers. Why? Because they drastically reduce the time it takes to train AI models. We're talking about turning weeks into mere days. That's a game changer. And then there's gaming. With every new release, Nvidia's graphics cards push the boundaries of what's possible, offering gamers and creators an experience that's quite literally out of this world. Their latest, the RTX series, has set benchmarks that competitors are struggling to meet. The real kicker here is Nvidia's strategic foresight. While other tech giants are playing catch-up, Nvidia has been consistently ahead, innovating at a pace that's frankly hard to keep up with. They're not just following trends, they're creating them. Their investment in deep learning and AI research has placed them 25 years ahead of any competition. Yes, you heard that right, 25 years. This isn't just leading, it's dominating. So, when we talk about Nvidia possibly hitting a $10 trillion market cap by 2030, we're not speculating wildly. We're acknowledging a pattern of strategic brilliance and market domination that's clear as day. As AI and gaming continue to shape our future, Nvidia's proactive and innovative approach positions them not just as a market leader, but as a market maker. And for any tech enthusiast or investor, that's an exciting space to watch. That's it for today. If you're as excited about Nvidia's future as I am, drop a comment below. Let's chat about where technology is headed next. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.